more than 160,000 comments on a particular picture where the like of davido, otiye, and chioma. We all know say the wedding, the pre-wedding, the passports on the social media lifestyle is taking over. No, trust me, according to some people, if you have a song to release, no, this period is not the best time for you to release it. Yes, or if you have anything to do, in short, keep your birthday. To some people that are celebrating their wedding anniversary, hide it, because the Chef Chi and davido, their wedding and their pre-wedding, their details and everything is going, is taking the internet on fire. All the way go now. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to break down some of the things that happened, and you go see some of the things where they trend, where they make the social media the hot. No, it reach make it hot now, because after 5 years, when davido sing assurance, I give my baby assurance. After 5 years, after the ups and downs from one step to the other, to the gbogbo, everything, finally, the wedding of the town and talk of the town has settled. Ladies and gentlemen, inside this thing, I some katakata le sup wo. When there's some people they share on some people, but all these updates, you know, say I dare to always give you all the whole full details from the beginning till the end. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to always show me love, because for here, now that love is a breed. As it unfold now, ladies and gentlemen, no be news again. Say the like of davido and chioma, they don't want tie the knots, you understand, properly, the way to be done. Though the bride price and everything, they long here, but this one at the wedding ceremony, wey be say na class. Now, most of us wey dey go wedding, you go notice say most popular wedding wey we dey go, na either Saturday, Sunday or Friday, sometimes too maybe Thursday once in a blue moon. But now when olowo dem dey talk, when obo dem dey talk, when adeleke family dey speak, let me put it like that, that is, they can do wedding any day. Wedding na on Tuesday, when most of we, me and you, civil servant, salary earner and otiye hustler for this thing, we dey the hustle. The party dey run. Hey, there's level to life, wo. Otiye, all fingers are not equal. Na so all pockets, tail of no swan the same way, because the length go always long pass themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, it happen pe. Now, I wan take na reverse back. Even start from the photo shoot. The photo shoot now, wey be say presently na him be the most viewed, let me say most reacted comments to on davido's page. Davido has more than 20 more than 25 million followers on Instagram and co. But this particular picture na him be most engaged. I'm talking about more than 160,000. Bro, do you know what that is? Loud gun. I want to say na go Messi gun. I'm not sure they get this level here. Now, this picture, some behind the scene there for how the picture they start. Big shout out to the like of them Obi Franklin, because Obi Franklin and Inyanya them, we hear say na them dey for the backyard where they arrange the whole steady, the whole surprise, the whole gospels. Now Obi Franklin compares give us the behind the scene how it happen. From the pictures, to the elegance, to the dressing, you know, to the early, whether they hail the video, they sing. You know, say anytime they call the video one now, about head go very big and everything they jolly. You know, normally everybody like to be praised. Now, when the behind the scene after the picture drop, internet was on fire. We get that one. Now, we can't go the invitation. This wedding is to tell you, pay. Not everybody is invited, yo. Davido is accessible. Go and access nítorí pé o jẹ́ celebrity, or maybe because you get 1,000 or 5,000, or maybe like because go and try it. You need to see the people that Davido they especially himself or send people that like the very dark man, and some people Chikubana chief priest may they go give invitation. Now men upon men the way they wear one Rolls Royce for hand. Yes, I am telling you for free. Men will be say, men are caliber. We all know now. Say, out here. Now, the video of how the video go share the invitation. And we see they come for the price. Oh, you shall do like this because with the year rumor say the price of the clothes last one wey they collect, e reach buy some kind cars. We go use do some kind Ubers and some kind this thing. Matter how long ago. Now after the invitation, we go give some big ballers. They show their wash, the classes of the 30 BG gangings. Yeah, even after I go watch some videos. Then from that video you go watch Osime lifestyle. But hey, just dey look out for my side sef. In short, mile or anywhere, go look out for my side as you dey watch am. Yeah, now you go see the classes of people wey be say they get class and calibers and tamba and clubers. Yeah, àwọn shakers, àwọn video shaker, àwọn mbadoski baose. Osime gan ọgbẹ̀yìn. Mommy, now this is to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that this wedding is not for, and it has never been for, some kind of classic people. I think this wedding, Davido wants to make statements, yes, and true, e don reach now because trust me, names don dey come out to how people come dey address Chioma. Chioma is an understanding girlfriend. I hope he will not cheat. Hope Davido will not cheat after this whole matter, after this whole engagement thing, or this marriage, after this thing. Why is it now that he's suing his baby mama? Why is this one going? Why is this one going? You know the social media will always speak. You know the in-laws and the nephews and the cousin, the online cousins, they go always want talk. Come bring out the point. Why point A must be point B? So person even come and say the ring wey Davido talk say why be say na him talk say buy away he want 3 Rolls Royce. Say say how ring go want 3 Rolls Royce. Some people even talk say rich just dey skit maker dey do their own, everything they do. You know say something wey dey hot, everybody go want tap inside. Let me carry you go DNA again. Now we all know say Davido posted recently before this wedding matter wey he don buy the 3rd private jet. Yes, that is the 1-in-1. The new private jet wey they just do, we say the kilometer wey they travel gbagbe like we ma lo 15 hours and 25 hours on air. No be all private jets fit use hours. Most private jets no dey use pass 5 hours on air. You guys come down, refuel the fuel before you go back. But this one, daddy Davido don carry am enter town. No, when the papa land with the jets, David go himself post am just to tell Nakwe, the Adeleke family, their head is there. They are spenders. Now fast forward to after Baba land, some 1 or 2 sub within Davido and Chioma. Now Davido, according to wetin Chioma talk, make I bring her from that side. He say after the whole announcement wey everything don dey go gbas social media don dey go after the photo shoot and everything, na him come tell David say he wan go chop. David come talk say make he no worry, make he chill, say he go carry am go where he go chop. So along the line they dey drive the whole Lekki, Ajah, all those island places they go. He come tell David say I want to go and eat now. Where you taking me to? And David say make you no worry. David come ask person one thing. The next thing wey she go just see na just one big hall. As she see am, she come tell David say this hall no be food center now, no be restaurant now. Why you carry me come this place now? Next thing wey she go just see, she just begin dey see Balu, dey see her name, dey see surprise. People just dey surprise. Now she come begin dey shout. The surprise party was crazy, trust me. You can see the classes of ladies wey come inside. Apart from the ladies, Chioma God sef, you go know say the joy and the spirit. Trust me now, nobody wey no go happy except some online haters and some online in-laws wey be say they wish to be Chioma codedly. Yes, me I know say 50% of all the ladies wey dey the party or Nigeria gone here, yes, they go like take replace Chioma. Yes, if Chioma say I no do today, gbagbe Davido queue from my house to mainland. Na so they go queue and fast. Because some of you will be saying she's an understanding girlfriend, she's this one. Do you see what happened in just the groom if about the just the surprise party they did for her bridal shower? It was showering you. You see the turn up, see the chioma, chioma go sell, go see the chilling, see the swagging, see chioma get swag yo, and chioma is beautiful. Forget it. All of you that are comparing the 3 pictures of the baby mamas, I'm talking about the Sophia, I'm talking about chioma and the one that is in US, I be London, then it be marketer fun. Some of you are comparing the picture. It's not about comparing the picture. Chioma is beautiful. And well made, and most of all the team wey dey with davido dey talk good about her especially. Now I want to carry na trabaye show na one particular place, one interview when they interview her, when she sit down after she don wear her bridal ota kini ló máa gbé sọ́ọ̀rì ẹ̀ she come talk some kind things, how they take surprise am, all the gist wey I just make you know say no be say I dey pick her na dey legit I dey here to dey give you. Then after then I come tell una wetin dey sup, why social media dey shine like wahala. You see Whiskid FC and 30BG ẹ máa bí o nǹkan tí wọ́n stand fine máa bí ó lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. All of a sudden Popsi wake up in the morning, he do normal tweeting, but before then go hear from chioma. When you watch chioma and some 1 or 2 videos, I come back and tell na wetin Popsi sup. When I enough day.
How shocked were you? I was very shocked. So let me tell you a story. I know this event center, and David said I was coming to eat, and then he was trying to get the exact location. And when he got outside, he asked somebody something, and I was like, "This is not a restaurant. I'm hungry. I want to eat." And then I saw balloons, and I just started screaming. I was like, "Yeah, you guys got me."
All right.
Cheers. Chioma. You see the vibes, and you see how beautiful she's looking at, and how joyous she be. Whoa, no worry, shop your life dey go. Now, as I tell you the Whiskid part, first of all we dey see Whiskid FC, that's Whiskid FC gangan. You get one page wey dey for X. That Whiskid FC first tweet say understanding girlfriend. We don't even worry about that. The culture man understanding girlfriend. We don't worry about that because normally, if you want date with celebrity, you guys they understanding. And some of you, I want to marry a famous man that will give me money, that will kinikon. It is 2 things. It's either he has money and he's busy, or he's broke and he's always available. Yeah, even David the so I'm unavailable. Say make a carry man. Say na man na for carry. OTA go and listen to the available song. I get what I'm saying. Now they say chioma na understanding girlfriend or understanding wife. Yes, I endorse that one because no, more blessings to her and more blessings to all the old female and all the old girlfriends that are understanding, because am I worry na best way understand well go chop the OTA make I no carry na go far. Now in Whiskid baba wake up. About come begin to tweet on your own tweet. That was on Monday morning. You know, say na Monday now, the basketball there is a plenty. Already the chioma parody and davido parody trend. Now Popsi wake up, Popsi come begin to tweet. Nah, he can't tweet reach one particular place where he can't do lol. That's LOL. I been a smiling face. That's a smiling face he do. From there he can't tweet again say, God bless all the more understanding women. Kiniko, we love you all. Or we are husband Kiniko, we love you. Just that line, and we all know say get one video where they trend, where they both video talk say make Whiskid just cough or make it just drop one emoji. That emoji feelings, people go just carry on with different feelings. Like they go to read meaning. I just say Whiskid go to sleep or go to laugh anytime we see some kind wey dey post, because these people they be weary. And true, most half of people waiting for that. What am I saying? 90% of people will use S. Bad with anyone. Jam motherfuckers. So yes. No do. Before we know that simple thing where you drop, we be say now normal prayer for all this woman, because now they call a bring out tweet where Whiskid they tweet 2019 say he go marry. That was 2019. Twitter say next year he go marry. That was 2020. That was 2020 during COVID. That was COVID. Saying go marry. COVID come. Maybe na COVID no make baba marry. Who know? I talk about Whiskid. Who know if na COVID no make her marry? But hey, people call it revisit that post. Say he never marry. He call him. The next way we go see na him Gossip Miller. No be really gossip. All Shakpo bloggers come begin to post say where Whiskid they shared on davido and chioma. They shared on chioma pe after he talk that finish he can't drop the LOL for down. But the thing can't be say if you see wetin dey for the comments, when you read the comment na just hate. Why see shebi na Whiskid wey talk say mature be this, why you go dey talk that kind thing, say na this kind time you go dey share this kind thing ni, na this kind time you suppose dey post this kind thing ni. Nobody, God, the problem with most of everybody, all this online in-law and online nephew wey visit, they sabi type and they sabi drop comments, because they don't do research. A blogger post something and the post person tweet simple as ABC, go to X. At least X and Instagram na the same thing. If for your phone normally they suppose dey na the same thing. You for go X, go check where the post from start from, wetin he talk and wetin be the comments go wey dey under am, what are the things he retweeted. Before you know, kiniko, all just because of one blogger wey wan scatter the whole. Hey, God, I know wetin fit now. But hey, the truth must be told, yo. Whiskid, I don't think, in my own opinion, little opinion, that Whiskid was for any reason shading chioma or davido. Never. I don't think that part at all. When no be say kakpara ni gbogbo ma son ni. But all the good. When the thing come manufacture and the comments come dey boom. Na so other people come begin to pick am up. But no be only that part now, because he call a mention AJ. Abi na JA. Na AJ. Most of people don't know say AJ na him pikin. He say AJ is so sweet, especially when AJ is helping his mother. AJ is so kiniko. People call it also be AJ. Some people they read matter to just all the well for social media lifestyle. But you don't say me I dare to give now the whole story and waiting to play for the social media lifestyle. For you we know AJ na his son, and he was randomly tweeting about what was going on. He even talk about video shoots. Say he wan do video shoot or koto, but sometimes too the matter won't be like saying the shade kiniko small, because that video shoot, because we know say wetin dey trend now na davido photo shoot. Kama paro no, kama jale o. No photo shoot, video shoot. I see what you did there, Whiskid. You wanna Yahweh. Now wetin cause sabi that one? Cause he talk say he's a mad person too. So you understand? Wetin dey make the social media lifestyle dey everywhere just dey boom. Wo, sha ma para yin. Make you no kill yourself. Let's be a gentle soul. But hey, this wedding, ladies and gentlemen, I told now say me I go give now the live update and wetin dey go on the social media lifestyle and the real update of. So hey, follow me. Subscribe, because I get the full story of wetin dey play for this whole matter, and especially the wedding. No worry, the wedding cloth, according to wetin we dey hear, they say na 10 meter. Hey, enjoy 10 meter. 10 meter ra àwọn jeep kankan abi 10 meter go buy some kind nice if na mozu or baby 10 meter. Some people come to say they wan sell their own 5 meter. Say if na get money, make na go page them. Say they go sell their own 5 meter and cool like that. I guess that clothes he go alongside with the invitation too. Not everybody is invited to the party. Now, Davido's Bachelor's Eve. Ladies and gentlemen, hey, Emma Sule, let's go and go receive it. What happened in the Bachelor's Eve? Chala, what's ye?
Bebe, papa. Bebe, gas straight. Gas straight. Open gate.
The party, all well and all good. The wedding, don't worry. All the update on what's going on waiting happen for the wedding, watch it on M3 React live. Or we go post them. Every full details. No worry. I go begin the cut time the post. They cut time the post. They cut time the post. They cut time. Èmi kò máa kó sí native ṣe ń sùn ni ó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ fún aláwọ̀ àjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀dì. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you all and I make sure that you all let's celebrate what's going on social media lifestyle. Hey, no katakata, it is all peace and all love. Big shout out to the David and the chioma Adeleke welcoming their new wife. Ó ti yé a máa tó lọ ni ó ti yé all good and all well. I see you guys when I see you guys. I still remain your boy, still loyal, popular, respect.